6 benefits of chia seeds. Number 1. High in essential nutrients, chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals such as calcium and magnesium. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of chia seeds contains about 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, and 18% of the daily value for calcium. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is the plant-based form of omega-3s. Number 2. May aid in weight loss. Chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake. This can be beneficial for weight loss as it can help reduce cravings and curb appetite. Additionally, chia seeds can also help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can also help with weight loss by preventing cravings and overeating. Number 3. May improve heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. These fatty acids have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help protect the heart and blood vessels from damage. Additionally, the fiber in chia seeds can also help lower cholesterol levels, which can also contribute to a healthy heart. Number 4. May improve digestion. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and improve gut health. The high fiber content in chia seeds can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy digestive tract by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Number 5. May help regulate blood sugar. Chia seeds have been shown to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This can be beneficial for people with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes, as it can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. Number 6. May improve bone health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium and magnesium, 2 minerals that are important for bone health. Adequate intake of these minerals can help prevent osteoporosis and keep bones strong and healthy. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have also been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help protect bones from damage and inflammation.